how to remove your vote from a poll on Instagram. So if you vote in some post under a post on Instagram and you want to remove your vote from it, let me show you how it's done. First thing is, open your Instagram app and you need to click on your profile icon right here. Once you click on it, click on the three lines at the top right corner to open up your settings. Once you get to settings, click on your activity. Right here in your activity, click on sticker responses. Under sticker responses, you're going to the list of all the poll you have voted. So if you want to remove your vote from any of them, just click on select at the top right corner and you need to select your vote. And once you select it, click on delete at the bottom right. Here, once you click on delete and it's going to confirm it's not story poll, it's just showing story. So if you check it, if you click on it, it's going to take you to the person's post. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.